I called this a straightforward word yesterday, but let's see if it is really. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day today, we have SOYUQ. SOYUQ. SOYUQ can mean cold, chilly, or cool temperature-wise. Let's take a look at some phrases to understand better. Cold drink, chilly wind, cool weather. SOYUQ içki. İçki is a derived word, comes from the word iç. İç is imperative form, means drink. Infinitive form is içmek. So soyuq içki, cold drink. Chilly wind, soyuq külək. Remember the words end with k, becomes softens and turns into y, küləy. Cool weather, soyuq hava. Hava is something we learned yesterday. Let's use this in some sentences. Bugün hava soyuktur. Nice, easy sentence for you. The weather is cold today. Bugün, today. Literally, this day, it means bugün. Hava soyuktur. The weather is cold. Dur is suffix. Let's see another sentence. Mən soyuq içki istəyirəm. I want a cold drink. Now, a couple of things to pay attention here. When you want to sound native in spoken language, this is officially written language, okay? But when you want to sound native, here's what you do. Soyuq, you write, you can say soyuq, soyuq. İçki, you write, you say içgi. See how the consonants switch places, voiced versus voiceless consonants? I discovered this more in my app, feel free to check it out. İstəyirəm, you write it, istəyirəm when you say it. Or, even more native, dish the man. You just say, soyuq içki istəyirəm. Or, like do we have it in here? Mən soyuq içki istəyirəm. See how you sound? You don't say, mən soyuq içki istəyirəm. It sounds like robotic. You want to sound native? Mən soyuq içki istəyirəm. All right? Now, that was today's word, soyuq. You don't have to use it in 100% Azerbaijani sentence. I have something for you. Great. Somebody set the AC to soyuq again. AC air conditioner. It happens sometimes when it's not really hot or warm weather, right? Awesome. Thanks so much for watching. Come back tomorrow for more. Until then, you know what to check. Cheers.